Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for Thursday, September 10th, 2015. Yes, September is already running away, and the markets are looking like they want to just start breaking out of these mundane consolidation ranges. Now, taking a look at the euro, we see that the market over the last 1, 2, 3, 4 is the fifth day of very anemic price action. You can see the market bottom near 111, and we're currently at 112.17. So that's 117 pips over the last 4 or 5 days. Now, what are we looking for in the euro? We're looking to see if the market for clues as to where it will go. Can the market close above this 117 level, or can the market close below the trend line, this upsloping trend line here? And a close below the trend line will definitely be bearish, and we could see a move down into 104, and a move above this 117 level would be fairly bullish for the euro currency. Okay, taking a look at the Australian dollar, we're getting some recovery in the Australian dollar. And remember, I said that this market is definitely due for a pullback. Now, that definitely doesn't mean you should go out and buy this market, but we're just due for a pullback. So you should expect at some point this market just has to pull back even a little, maybe 38%, 50%, but it's due for a pullback. Similar situation with the Canadian dollar. We had a very good uptrend that started in April, and it lasted all throughout the summer essentially. But the market is ripe for a pullback at this point in time. Taking a look at the British pound, we bounced off of support near this 152 level, and the market looks like it is going to challenge. It will challenge this trend line, this broken trend line. We're a bit below it at this point, but what this market could do is challenge the trend line, and you could see either another move down, or if we close above the trend line, that will then put this 158 level in jeopardy. So British pound not very clear as to the direction it wants to take. Is this a head and shoulders pattern to the downside? It could be interpreted as such, or is this a semi head and shoulders to the upside? Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. Hope you can see that. Shoulder, head, shoulder, reverse head and shoulders. So this market could be doing one of the two. And when you have indecision like this, I mean, as an investor, you pick a direction and let the market prove to you that you are wrong. Okay, looking at the British pound versus the Swiss franc, we see that this market was down slightly yesterday, but I spoke about the fact yesterday that we have massive resistance at this 155.46 level. We see that, as I said yesterday, this could be bottom number one, and bottom number two. So this could be a double bottom, and if the market does break above this level, we could see a pretty strong move to the upside. And the beautiful thing about the British pound is once it starts trending, it's definitely the currency that trends extremely well. So once it makes up its mind as to where it's going, it normally does fairly well. So we're looking for this British pound, Swiss franc, to see if this scenario plays out. Another scenario that could play out is that the market could come up, trade up to resistance, and head back to the downside. So you just have to keep that scenario down in mind also. Now, this is a monthly chart of the British pound versus the Swiss franc. It's good at times to look at to look at charts on a longer term time frame and not just daily charts and 15-minute charts, because the longer term time frames can give you a picture as to what is happening in the markets. Okay, so today is Thursday, and we are one day away from the end of the week, essentially. And as I said, this is the most active, or traditionally has been the most active part of the year. So I suspect, and the markets are poising to move and start moving. So we should be seeing some very good trades for our Signal members coming up in the next couple of months. And remember, it takes patience to become a good trader. It takes patience sometimes for the markets to move in your direction. But once they start moving in your direction, profits can accumulate quickly. If you'd like to take advantage of these signals, what you can do is click on the link below this video to get started with our signals, and it will give you the information below. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.